Do you have any bags to check in today?
Yes, just one.
Wait, sorry, is it over the limit?
Have you ever been at an airport and suddenly forgot how to answer a simple question?
In this lesson, we'll show you how to speak calmly and confidently at the airport, step by step.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English Talk. I'm Harry.
And I'm Emma. It's really nice to meet you all today.
On this channel, we practice real-life English through calm, natural conversations.
The kind of English you can actually use in everyday situations.
Today's lesson is about a place that makes many people nervous when they have to speak English.
The airport.
From check-in to security, from boarding to delays, we'll help you sound calm and natural.
So take a deep breath, relax for a moment.
And let's start today's conversation about airports in real-life English.
I'm glad we arrived early. Airports always feel different depending on the time of day.
Yeah, this one feels busy but not chaotic. There's movement, but it's not rushed.
I like that. It makes it easier to think clearly.
Same. When I'm stressed, my English gets worse.
That's exactly why airports are tricky for language learners.
Too much noise, too many signs, and people talking fast.
And you don't want to hold up the line.
Right, you feel pressure to respond quickly.
So let's slow it down and walk through it together.
Okay, first stop, the check-in counter.
This is usually where people freeze.
Because they don't know how to start.
The good news is you don't need a long sentence.
You can simply say, "Hi, I'm checking in for my flight."
Or, I'm checking in for my flight to Amsterdam.
That already sounds confident.
And then the staff will guide you.
They might ask, "May I see your passport?"
A simple response is, "Sure, here you go."
Or just, "Here you are."
Short answers are completely fine at the airport.
You don't need full sentences every time.
Then comes a very common question.
Do you have any bags to check?
If you do, you can say, "Yes, just one bag."
Or, "Yes, I have one suitcase."
If you don't, you can say, "No, just a carry-on."
Carry-on is a very useful word.
It sounds natural and professional.
Sometimes they ask about seats.
Window or aisle?
You can answer, "Aisle, please."
Or window if possible.
Adding "if possible" sounds polite and calm.
And it shows flexibility.
Now let's talk about a stressful moment.
The scale.
When they put your bag on the scale
And you're waiting.
and waiting.
If the bag is overweight, they might say, "Your bag is overweight."
A calm response is, "Okay, what are my options?"
That's a powerful sentence.
It keeps the conversation solution-focused.
You could also say, "Can I move some items to my carry-on?"
Very natural and very common.
No panic, just problem solving.
Once that's done, they give you your boarding pass.
They might say, "Here's your boarding pass."
You can respond, "Thank you."
Or "Thanks."
Simple and polite.
Then they might add information.
Boarding starts at 9:40.
Or your gate is B12.
A good follow-up question is, "Where's that gate?"
Or how long does it take to walk there?
Airports are big. That's a fair question.
Now we move to security.
This is where instructions come fast.
You might hear, laptops out.
Or liquids out of your bag.
If you're unsure, you can ask, do I need to take this out?
Or, is this okay to keep in my bag?
That's better than guessing.
And it shows confidence, not weakness.
Sometimes they ask you to remove items.
Please take off your jacket.
Please take off your belt.
You don't need to reply with a full sentence.
A simple okay is enough.
Or just nod and do it.
If you don't understand, it's okay to ask.
You can say, sorry, could you repeat that?
Or, I'm not sure I understand.
Those sentences are polite and clear.
And very normal in international airports.
After security, you look for your gate.
And the signs can be confusing.
You might stop someone and ask, excuse me, where's gate B12?
That's perfect airport English.
You can also ask, is this the way to Terminal 2?
Or, am I going in the right direction?
These questions sound natural and helpful.
Now let's talk about waiting at the gate.
This is where anxiety can rise again.
You see people sitting, screens changing.
And suddenly, the word delayed.
That word makes everyone nervous.
If your flight is delayed, you might want information.
A calm way to ask is, do you know how long the delay is?
Or is there an updated boarding time?
Both sound polite and clear. You're asking for information, not complaining.
Sometimes people worry about connections.
You can say, I have a connecting flight.
And then add, will I still make it?
That's a very common concern.
And airline staff hear it all the time.
If there's a bigger issue, you might need help.
You can say, can you help me with another flight?
Or, are there other options?
Those questions open the conversation calmly.
They show you're cooperative. Now let's talk about boarding.
Boarding usually happens in groups.
You might hear, now boarding group 3.
You can check your boarding pass and wait.
If you're unsure, you can ask, which group am I?
Or, is boarding started yet?
Simple and effective.
Sometimes the boarding pass doesn't scan.
That can feel embarrassing.
But you can say, it's not scanning.
Or, it didn't work.
Short, clear, and calm.
No need to explain more.
If you want to board later, you can ask politely.
Is it okay if I board later?
Or, can I board after this group?
Polite questions make a big difference.
Let's pause for a moment.
Notice how most airport English is short.
Direct, but polite.
You don't need fancy words.
You need calm delivery.
Now let's do a small role-play style conversation.
Imagine I'm the staff.
And I'm the traveler. Hi, I'm checking in for my flight to Paris.
May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Do you have any bags to check?
Just one suitcase.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
Your bag is slightly overweight.
Okay, what are my options?
You can move some items to your carry-on.
That's fine. I'll do that.
Great. Here's your boarding pass. Boarding starts at 10:20.
Thank you. Which gate is it?
Gate C5.
How long does it take to get there?
About 10 minutes.
Perfect. Thanks for your help.
That whole conversation is very realistic.
And none of the sentences are complicated.
That's the key.
Real English is often simple English.
Let's talk about one more situation.
Asking for help when you feel lost.
This happens to everyone.
You can say, "Sorry, I think I'm lost."
Or, could you help me find my gate?
Both are polite and honest.
And if someone helps you, say thank you.
Thank you so much.
Or, I really appreciate it.
Small phrases build positive interactions.
One last thing.
Your tone matters more than perfect grammar.
Calm tone makes people patient.
And confidence grows with practice.
Airports don't need perfect English.
They need clear, calm communication.
And now you have the tools.
Short sentences.
Polite questions.
And the confidence to ask for help. So that brings us to the end of today's lesson about airport English.
Thank you so much for staying with us, especially if airports make you nervous.
Remember, you don't need long sentences to sound confident.
Calm, simple English is enough to get you where you need to go.
Before you go, try this in the comments.
Write one sentence you would say at the airport.
For example, "I'm checking in for my flight."
Or, do I need to take this out?
We'll read your comments and help you sound more natural.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video.
And subscribe to Daily English Talk for more real-life English conversations.
Thanks again for learning with us.
Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next lesson.